Hi, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Opoku Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to compress video files using the Handbrake software.
Hello, so now let's look at how best we can compress our video into smaller size with the help of the Handbrake software. So I'm going to compress this particular video into a smaller size. So the original size of the video is 25.4 megabytes. So when we finish compressing this particular video, we will compare the size of the compressed video to this one. Alright, so what you have to do, you have to locate and open the Handbrake software. So right click on it, click on open. Alright, so this is the window of the Handbrake software. So what you have to do is you have to click on source. So click on source and then click on open file. So now what you have to do, you have to browse to locate or find the particular video you want to compress. So mine's in this particular folder. Okay, alright, so this is the particular video that I want to compress. Yes, so then you click on the particular file or video. So the Handbrake software will scan the video for some few seconds. Now after that, under destination where we have the file, just right after the file on the right hand side we have a particular rectangular box there, and after the rectangular box on the right hand side we have browse. So you browse and then click on, now you have to browse and locate where you want to save the particular file. So now when you click on it, give it a name. So let me select the location. Now I want it to be on the desktop, but I just want to keep the same name there, but I want the video after compression to be on the desktop. So when you finish, click on save. So now after that you have to click on start so that the compression will then begin. So you click on start and then wait for some few minutes for the compression to end. So when you look down here, you can see that our video compression is okay, it's finished now. So since we are done, we just close the Handbrake software. So now we have the compressed file on the desktop. So now let's try and compare the size of the compressed file to the original file. So after compressing the file, we realize that the file is now, the size of the file is now 5.29 as compared to the first one, which was 25.4 megabytes. So this is how best you can use the Handbrake software to compress our video files into
Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for any updates. Bye.